Okay, so down on my drive, it's made up of several small gardens. So we're going to do a bit of spot mowing here. But ultimately I'd like to try and get the Terramow to move around the drive. So we're going to see remote control if it can get up. Wow, it can. Let's reverse it down. I don't think it obviously moves a lot faster in remote control mode. But maybe if I set the markers up and map this properly, it could do. Alright, let's try a spot mow then.
Exit remote control.
I think you press play for 2 seconds.
Press OK to enter spot mode.
Here
Start
we go.
mowing.
Right. Here's spot mow on small pieces of land. You can
Adjusting cutting height. Start the blade disc.
There you go. It's now going to hopefully mow this area. But with hindsight, it would have been easier to face it another way. Maybe it doesn't matter. It's working seamlessly. It mowed that little part there. Did quite a lot of turns, but now obviously it's got a straighter run. It mows in the area you put it down. It's amazing, this feature spot mow. It really means you don't have to buy as many units. You can actually move them around on tricky small lawns. Although I will probably have one down here full time. That's my plan. So it's cut this really well.